All right, this morning we're going to repot this Notocactus. He was not that size when I first planted him. Here's his little brother. He was actually half his size when I planted him in this pot. And we're going to show you how to do cactus without damaging it or yourself. I'm using an older piece of shade cloth, but you can use a blanket. You can use, say, like a newspaper too, just as long as it's not overly huge. So we're just gonna go kind of like that. Get like a nice grip on it. Then tip it over. Easier said than done, right? And voila. And there we go. Now we're gonna go get its new pot. Okay, so for larger cactus, 2 people would be able to do it. If you have ever seen saguaros being shipped, it's quite a thing. They look like they're Hannibal Lecter, just like totally tied down in the back of the truck. Lift him up like that. It's actually not really too heavy, it's just more cumbersome. Or we're just putting this in there just to give like support where he's wanting to lean to the right way, how we want him to, once we're done. So I'm just using, you can use like any type of, some people will use chopsticks. I just happen to have bamboo because I want to work in that soil, get rid of, air pockets like this. But I always wait like a day or 2 before I actually even water the cactus or succulents that I have replanted. Right, love your cactus, caress him, feed him. Actually, you really don't need to feed him much. And don't water them too much either.